Hello students, today we are going to learn the first lesson of EVS 2 Maharashtra before Shivaji. 19th February is the most important day for all of us. On this day, we celebrate Shiva Jayanti with great joy and respect. Every year, we also celebrate Shiva Jayanti in our school. On this day, we sing a song and povadas in his honor. We also garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. But who was this Shivaji Maharaj and why we celebrate his birthday every year? Do you know that? Let's see. The period in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was medieval period. In this period, many kings were busy in their enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. But even those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects, named as Mughal Emperor Akbar in north and Emperor Krishnadev Rai in Vijayanagar, both of them famous for their rule. At the same time, Shivaji Maharaj also a great king of that time and has a great respect even today. About 400 years before, Maharashtra was not free. It was divided into two parts among the two sultans, Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. Nizam Shah and Adil Shah had ruled over the Maharashtra into two different parts. These two sultans were the enemies of each other. These two sultans never gave respect to the people of other religion. Under their rule, people suffered and couldn't get enough food to eat. They couldn't celebrate their festivals and worship their god. People were not safe even in their homes. There were many watandars assigned by Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Deshpande and Deshmukhs have owned Jahagirs, but they loved only Jahagirs, but not their people. They fight among themselves, hence, people were tired of this and were unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj born at Shivneri Fort on 19 February 1630. He saw all this and decided to fight for his people. He decided to establish Swaraj, means independence, in Maharashtra. For this, he decided to use Watandars who fought among themselves. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the power that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to the people of all castes and religions. He made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He also honored the saints of all religions. During a period about 3 to 400 years Shivaji Maharaj, many sons were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful efforts of establishing Swaraj.